Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T. I'm here today with another Soul Supremacy beater box today. I got a $665 box. This one came in a few days ago, man. Just not having time to open it. Set my drink down. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I went to that Europa sports event down in Dallas. I'm still drinking on and sipping on all the samples they passed out. That was a dope event. But let's get back to the box, man. Like I said, this came from Soul Supremacy out of California, out of the Bay Area, man. Probably one of the best in the business, especially when it comes to doing mystery boxes. They got eBay auctions starting at 99 cents every week. I think they start those off on Sundays. So check them out on Twitter and on eBay. I'm not sure when the new membership spots are gonna be open or anything like that. They've been saying they're gonna open it for a while, but nobody knows when that's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure they trying to figure all that out right now, but right now it's just a members only thing. So I want to say it's 150 of us. It could be a few more, or it might be a little less. I'm not sure. But let's just jump in this box and see what we got. $665. It's a little bit more expensive than the last box I opened up, and we are in. No loose shoes in this box. No loose shoes at all. I'm gonna start off with these little kid shoes. I got a Jordan 6 Retro BP, size 2Y. Dead stock pair of infrared 6s in a size 2Y. Yeah, they're definitely dead stock. And the box is in great shape also. Boom. There's one kid's shoe. Next up, I got some Nike Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racers. Never seen this shoe. It's a size 8.5. These look to be dead stock also. These are kind of nice. I like the black and yellow Flyknit Racer, size 8.5. These are really dope. I mean, for a training shoe or something. Dead stock. You can't go wrong with that. Super easy to lift, super easy to move. Gotta love dead stock shoes. The box is a little beat up though. The box is a little beat, but the shoe's in great shape. Size 8.5 again on those. I've seen this other. Hopefully this is my last kid shoe. I got a size 13C Retro 6 low. So we got some more 6s and a 13C. 6 is low. I can't think of the name of these right now. They even come with a little sticker in the box. A little Jumpman sticker. All the 6s came with. 13C on these, dead stock. So if you want to hook your kids up, I got the kid shoes too. Alright. Let's get into some adult sizes. Size 9.5, Jordan Retro 5. I think. Yeah, Jordan Retro 5. No, this ain't a 5, hold on. So this is a Retro Air Jordan 5 Retro 30. Yeah, this is a replacement box. We got a 9.5. Let me check the size, make sure. 9.5 Jordan 13s. They are not dead stock, but they are super clean. Super clean. Jordan 13s. This is a dope model. You can't go wrong with that. Black and red bread colorway. In the replacement box. Size 9.5. Alright, Ultra Boost. We got some size 9 Ultra Boost. I don't know what these are called. They're dead stock, so that's great. Dead stock Ultra Boost. These shoes are super comfortable. I tried on some recently. Well, not recently. I tried on some a couple weeks ago. I had got a pair. These are dead stock, man. I'm not sure what the name of these are or anything like that, but they are 9.5. Not a bad colorway at all. So I'm happy with that. Ultra Boost still sell, not for as much as they used to, but they still pretty easy to move. Oh, it's a 9. Size 9, I'm tripping. I said 9.5. Let me make sure. What I see? I didn't see a 9. These are a size 9. So, size 9 on those Ultra Boost. Shout out to the wife for fixing that for me. These are size 9.5. Okay. Ultra Boost. I'm not tripping on this one. I do see size 9.5 on these. These are the uncaged joints. These are pretty nice too. These are actually, the uncaged ones is the ones I actually tried on first when I tried on some Ultra Boost. These are in pretty good shape too. These are not dead stock, but they are in great shape. Should be fairly easy to move. Ultra Boost, like I said, still move. You used to be able to just snap your fingers and they be gone, but now you just gotta wait about 2 or 3 days. Price them right, they still will sell. So, Ultra Boost 9.5, uncaged M. So that is the original box. Let's see here. I got a Retro 1 box, a black Yin Yang size 10. Man, this shoe, it's not dead stock because it's laced up, but this shoe is super clean. It even smells brand new. Retro 1, black Yin Yang, size 10. These are super clean. I really like these. I like these better than the Cyber Mondays. I know they're super close in looks together, but to me these are superior to the Cyber Mondays. These are really nice. I like the little red on the tag, makes it pop a little bit. Size 10, got the extra laces in the box with these. Super clean, super clean. Retro 1s seem like everybody's favorite now. They're one of my favorites, like I always say. Everybody got their reasons. Jordan 4, size 10.5. This is an old face box. Oh, we got some heat. Cool gray 4s. I think these are dead stock. These are, I'm gonna say these are dead stock. I see zero dirt on the bottom of these. Size 10.5. These are definitely the money shoe in the box. This is a vintage pair. Very good size. Okay. I do see a stamp on the tag in here. Let me see here. Let me see. B grade. I want to say that the little stamp on the inside is a B. But they're super clean. A little yellowing due to the age. But they are dead stock. Still laced up. Look like they still factory lace. Definitely the money shoe. Super clean. Got some vintage Jordans with the OG retro card. This is a 2005 release, if I remember. No, this is a 2004 release. So this is 14-year-old dead stock pair of shoes. That's crazy. That's from a real collector right there. 14 years old. That's when the sneaker game was a little different. That's what's up. Last up in the box, big old orange box. Size 13 Air Max 2016. Size 13. These are not Air Max 2016. Oh, maybe they are. No, this is 2000. It says 2013 on the tag. This didn't look like a 2016. This is something else, man. I'm gonna have to do my research on this. It's an Air Max 97. Size 13. Super clean. Super clean. All the shoes in this box are clean. They're not dead stock, but the bottoms and everything look good. Stand up so y'all can see those bottoms. Still look good. Size 13. Air Max 97s. Not an OG 97, of course, but still pretty fire. Still pretty fire. But man, I'm kind of excited about those 4s we just got. These came with an air freshener in there. Keep them fresh for you, which is really strong. I can still smell it. So that will conclude the $665 box. I'm not mad at it at all. I wish I didn't have the kid sizes, but that's cool too. Some people need kid shoes. So hit me up if you do. Size 13C and a size 2Y in the Retro 6s. Size 9.5 on the Ultra Boost Uncaged. Size 9 on the Ultra Boost. I don't know the nickname for those. Size 8.5 on the Flyknit Racers. These is clean. I'm gonna show y'all these again. These is cool. Well, cool little running shoe or something. Not bad at all. Dead stock shoes. Should be fairly easy to move. The Retro ones, black yin yang, size 10. 9.5 on the Jordan 13s. Very clean. These almost passed for dead stock. Like I probably could clean the bottoms and call them dead stock, but of course not gonna do that. And like I said, the 2 Retro 6s in the kid sizes, size 2 and a size 13C. So that's gonna conclude the box. I even got to do a little cleanup while still videoing, a little organization. But man, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at TGOTSOLE. I'm gonna try to start selling a little bit more on there. I posted a couple shoes a few weeks ago and they sold really fast on there, so hopefully I get more shoes going on there. But if you guys follow me on there, you can DM me, and if you see anything in these boxes, or you can hit my email, tgotsole@gmail.com, and we can work something out there. I haven't been posting a lot on eBay just due to time, but I need to get back on that. But if you don't see it on eBay, still hit me up on Instagram or email me. And if I don't have it, I'm probably gonna have something else your size. Got a few other boxes that I wasn't able to shoot videos for. Just yeah, traveling and work. So I don't travel much, but had the opportunity to get out, so I did. Alright, I'm gonna quit rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out. Peace.